welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 8 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is present continuous tense, right? So यहाँ पर हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं about the present continuous tense in this chapter. So first of all, let us know कि प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस क्या होता है और ये कौन से एक्शन को दर्शाता है. द प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस describes an action that is happening at the time of speaking and is not yet completed. तो ये जो प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस है ये डिस्क्राइब करता है एक एक्शन को जो कि हो रहा हो जब हम उसकी बात कर रहे हो तभी. Just like I say, I am teaching you the chapter 9. So that means I am still working on my work, right? I haven't completed this yet. जो काम हम अभी कर रहे हो, this work is still in the progress, right? It is still going on. तब हम present continuous tense का use करते हैं उस काम को बताने के लिए, right? Now, they say we have use of present continuous tense, right? So it is used for an action taking place currently. तो ये इसलिए यूज किया जाता है ताकि हम उन एक्शंस को दिखा सके जो एक्चुअल में करंटली अभी परफॉर्म किए जा रहे हैं. Just like examples we have, he is painting the wall. I am reading a book, right? Next, for an action that happening about this time but not necessarily at the time of speaking, right? ऐसे actions के लिए जो कि अभी हो रहे हैं but not necessarily at the time of speaking, right? कि हम इसी समय की बात कर रहे हैं but ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हम उस काम को अभी perform कर रहे हो, right? We are currently in touch of that work, but we are not performing it right now. Just like examples we have, they are expanding the school building. कि school building expand हो रही है, but we are not doing it right now, right? We are not working on it right now. Yes? Next one, we are learning dancing in school. Correct? Next, we have to indicate a future action that is sure to happen. एक ऐसा फ्यूचर एक्शन इंडिकेट करना जो कि हमें पता है कि वो होगा ही होगा. We have a full surety that the work is going to be happen, right? So examples, we are going to Delhi tomorrow, right? They are traveling by train next month, correct? Now, the next thing that we have is the affirmative sentences sentence structure. तो अब यहाँ पर affirmative sentence का sentence structure बताया हुआ है. Let's read it very quickly. So, we have the subject over here, the helping verb that is, am or are, the verb first form and the other words of the sentence. राइट. सो देखते हैं कि कौन से सब्जेक्ट के साथ कौन सी हेल्पिंग वर्ब यहाँ पर यूज की गई है, राइट. एंड बिकॉज इट इज प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस तो हम यहाँ पर वर्ब का आईएनजी फॉर्म, राइट, वर्ब प्लस आईएनजी फॉर्म यूज करेंगे. करेक्ट. सो लेट्स रीड देम. इट इज आई एम रीडिंग अ बुक. वी आर reading a book. You are reading a book. He is reading a book. She is reading a book. They are reading a book. Right? So these were the rules for framing the affirmative sentences. Right? Now let's move ahead to the next one. So here we have some things to remember. Let's see, what do you say? To form ing form of verb, verbs ending in e, drop e. तो जो भी verbs अपने ing फॉर्म में होती है, राइट, और अगर वो एंड हो रही हो ई पे, सो हम इस ई को रिप्लेस कर देंगे विद ing, राइट। हम उस ई को हटाकर उसकी जगह ing प्लेस कर देंगे, जस्ट लाइक वी हैव बीन गिवन सम एग्जांपल्स सच एज गिव, गिविंग, टेक, टेकिंग, राइड, riding, drive, driving, and hide, hiding. Correct? Next, they say verb ending in ie, change ie into y. अब जो words ie पर खत्म होते हैं उनको हम change कर देते हैं y में, right? Just like examples we have lie is written as lying, right? Die is written as time. Clear? Next, verb ending in t, d, g, p, m and n preceded by a vowel etc. जिनमें भी vowels होंगे, right? So वहाँ पर हम क्या करेंगे, उन वर्ड्स को डबल कर देंगे, राइट। इन सभी वर्ड्स में जब पीछे वॉवल होगा, इन सभी कॉन्सोनेंट्स के पीछे जब एक वॉवल होगा तो हम उस कॉन्सोनेंट को डबल कर देंगे एंड देन वील ऐड ing, जस्ट लाइक कट, कटिंग, बेग, बेगिंग, बिड, बिडिंग, सिप, सिपिंग, स्विम, स्विमिंग, प्लान, planning. Correct? Now, let's move ahead. Okay, so the next thing that we have is negative sentences, sentence structure. So now let's see कि हम कैसे ये जो हमारे negative sentences हैं इनको frame कर सकते हैं. So, here we have the subject, helping verb that is, am or are, not plus verb का first form plus the other words. Correct? Now, let's see. I am not eating food. We are not eating food. You are not eating food. He is not eating food. She is not eating food. They are not eating food. Correct? Now, let's move ahead. Some of the contracted forms. So they say look at the contracted forms. अब हम contracted forms को कैसे देख सकते हैं, कैसे लिख सकते हैं? Let's see. She is playing. So she is not playing बन जाता है she isn't playing, right? He is reading is equal to he is reading, and it becomes he isn't reading. We're going is we are going, and in negative it becomes we aren't going. Next, I'm watching, I am watching, and in the negative it becomes I am not watching. It's raining is equal to it is raining, and in the negative ones it becomes it isn't raining, right? Now, the next thing that we have is interrogative sentences, yes or no type questions. So, अब interrogative sentences के बारे में पढ़ेंगे जो कि है yes और no type questions. So, सबसे पहले इनका sentence structure देखते हैं. So, does helping verb is MR plus subject plus verb का first form plus the other words. So as you can see कि हमने interrogative yes or no type questions में सिर्फ subject और helping verb को replace कर दिया है, right? So it becomes, am I reading a book? Are we reading a book? Are you reading a book? Is he reading a book? Is she reading a book? Are they reading a book? Correct? Now, moving ahead to the next thing. So it says interrogative sentences, WH type questions, sentence structure. अब हम पढ़ेंगे the WH type questions, right? So let's see their structure. So the WH word, the helping verb that is, am or are, the subject plus verb ka first form plus the other words, right? Now, what am I reading now? Why are we reading a book? How are you reading a book? When is he reading in the book? Where is she reading a book? Correct? Moving ahead, we have the interrogative negative sentences. So let's read their sentence structure, that how they are formed. So first of all, we place the helping verb that is, am or are plus the subject plus not plus verb ka first form plus the other words. Clear? Now says, am I not studying here? Are we not studying here? Are you not studying here? Is he not studying here? Is she not studying here? Are they not studying here? Right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are clear with the present continuous tense and the structure of the different kinds of sentences as well. Right? So that was all from my side. I hope you all enjoyed it and you all got the point really well. So thank you so much and have a great day ahead.